in textbooks. Textbooks are an invaluable resource for our students. They hold so much knowledge in them. But how much of this knowledge is actually understood by students? How do we interpret it? And are students actually satisfied with the textbooks? The answer is no. Good day, my name is Shambhavi and this is Anushree. In a short while we will be meeting Inchara, and our topic is improvement in textbooks.
Textbooks are often loaded with so much information that it becomes hard and confusing for a student to find answers in the textbook, and therefore they turn over to the gadgets for the answer. It is always the gadgets that give us the answers and not our textbooks, when our textbooks are meant to do so. Why is it that textbooks are unable to give us the answers that we need?
But is it just us feeling this way, or do others feel this way? We've taken a survey, so let's find out. Over to Inchara.
We surveyed a group of 150 students from classes 8 and 9 to find out what they felt about their textbooks. We found that only 4% of students are completely satisfied with the textbooks they currently have. We also observed that the majority of students find their social science textbooks the hardest to read, understand, and concentrate on. They had a wide variety of reasons for disliking their textbooks, but the most common was that they were boring and very hard to understand.
As a solution to this problem, we have thought of redesigning our textbooks in a more understandable and relatable manner and to suit all types of learners.
If we get selected for phase 4, this is how we plan to implement our solution. First, from this survey, we are going to specify which NCERT textbook needs most improvement. From there, we'll zone in to the most disliked chapter in the textbook. After which, we'll find the major reasons for dislike.
Then we are going to work on these reasons and create new blueprints of improvised versions of the chapters to suit all types of learners. Next, we are going to introduce these redesigned chapters to our stakeholders. First of them, being the professors, will help us check the accuracy of the factual data provided. Next, being the teachers, will help us understand the problems they might face in execution of these lesson plans. Then, being the students, will help us check whether it satisfies their needs or not.
And finally, we'll make a final copy and submit it. Thank you.
We would like to see a nation where textbooks are the true learning aids, not just keys to examinations. Thank you.